Okay, we're gonna follow the ads. These are Ryan's train tracks. Go put your train tracks down. Go put them on the end. Hurry up. This is what Ryan's been busy doing, and he said he's having so fun with his train tracks. So let's see, they're going all the way through the kitchen. Where are they?
They're right there.
Aren't they supposed to be over here?
Yeah.
We came to a dead end. Come here. Where are your train tracks?
Right here.
What are they doing over there?
My train tracks. They're right there. My train tracks.
Oh, those are your train tracks? What about these train tracks?
Yeah. Look at my shoes.
What are you doing?
I built a train track.
Are you having so fun?
My best whole face.
Yeah.